Hi everyone, my name is Katerina Doyle and I'm with Creative Scrapbooker magazine, and I'm sorry for the delay. I was trying to do this through Zoom, but that did not quite work for me. I wasn't able to send the message over to Zoom, so I'm just going to wait to make sure that I am actually live. I'm going to peek back here and see if this is working, and I hope I am. Let's see. It says I'm live, so I'm hoping I'm live. Let's see, I'm going to jump back to Facebook. Just a minute, everybody. Okay, I'm live. Awesome. Okay, thank you. Okay, my name is Katerina Doyle, and I'm one of the co-founders of Creative Scrapbooker magazine. My business partner is Jackie Ludlage, and she is answering any comments and questions you guys might have. Jackie and I started the magazine almost exactly 18 years ago. So our very first issue was in December of 2005, and we have been publishing for over 18 years. For those of you that know our magazine, it is extremely technique rich. I'm going to put on my glasses and now take them off again. I was reading a text. I like it better without my glasses. I can see better at distance because Perfect Bound, 4 times a year, comes out on the season. This is our most recent issue. It's the fall issue. There is a lot of content in the magazine, and I'll walk you through that slowly in just a bit, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a taste of the magazine first. So this is our fall issue. Our most recent summer issue is actually sold out, so I don't even have a copy here right now that I can find. Wait, maybe I can find one. No luck. I know Jackie's sending me some more. So, fall issue, spring issue, winter issue is about to arrive. So it's at the printer right now. So Jackie and I put together with an amazing team of contributors and submissions from readers like you guys who submit their projects for us to be considered to be put in the magazine. So it comes out 4 times a year. We're looking for cards, any kind of altered items, layouts, mixed media, art journaling, and so forth. So very good chance of getting published in the magazine, because that's what we try to do, is we always try to keep every issue fresh so that you have lots of different styles, lots of different ideas. Okay? So without further ado, I will walk you slowly through this fall issue, and I will put on my glasses for this one because I want to make sure that if there's something specific that I need to talk to, Jackie is sending me a text because I cannot see the comments as they're coming in live here. So every issue, here's maybe a better way to put it, starts out with some advertising, the contents page, and then there's the letter from Jackie. There's a photo of Jackie for those. Oh, there. That's Jackie. That's me. Oh, this one's really cool. You guys have about 3 days left to enter. Sliding it back this way. Do you guys see this enchanted? I'm reversed. This enchanted thing here? Go to our website, creativescrapbooker.ca/contests. There's a chance to win a $350 prize package from Lavinia Stamps. We often have the most amazing sweepstakes giveaways, and this letter shows you a lot of our past winners, from Tonic, Art Impressions, Zebra Pens, all different kinds of really amazing prize packages. And what I wanted to show you there is that really there are winners. So enter the Enchanted Sweepstakes contest and you will have a chance to win a $350 prize package. Okay, so once you hit this section in the magazine called The Heart and Soul, from that point on it does a deep dive into techniques, layouts, cards, gorgeous large photographs. Something that I absolutely love is throughout the magazine you'll find these little bits of scraps of info. So what those are is, it's almost like having a girlfriend sitting beside you while you're reading the magazine, explaining what she did a little bit extra on that layout or card. So it's like a little tips and tricks. Of course, there's supply lists for everything. think this is a pretty good way to show it. Okay, so of course our fall Halloween feature. Then we have photography tips. Alison Orthner is our photographer and has been doing photography tips in our magazine for years. Then we have some really fun features. We always get you kind of thinking outside the box. So we want you to try all different kinds of style in the magazine. So you have layouts. This is a beautiful, gorgeous double-page spread. You get layouts with lots of photos, layouts with just a few photos. You know, layouts with lots of stuff, layouts with not so much stuff. And the same for cards. So because it's so versatile group of scrapbookers and card makers out there, we try to give flavor of everything in the magazine. Again, gorgeous photos. All right, a hot cup of happiness, a coffee feature. Who doesn't love a coffee feature? That was the one for our fall issue. Again, features are different. We always try and do something really fun and unique. A little bit of advertising. Soul art. So for those of you who enjoy Bible art journaling, there's an article for Bible art journaling and soul art in every single issue. This one here is really cool too. This is a little card. You'll see the QR code leading to the video on how to make that card. That's from our design team. Step-by-steps. So from scratch, making that card. And again, oops, I'm reversed. The QR code for the video. So not only do you have the step-by-steps in your hands as you're going along, but you also have the opportunity to watch the video for it. Okay, I know I have about 10 minutes left according to Brian. So more step-by-steps. More step-by-steps. This one was fun. So for those of you that were at the Lancaster show in Pennsylvania, we actually did this one as a make and take in our booth. This is a really simple technique with products you probably have. So what we try to do in the magazine is definitely use new products, but also use some of the old products that you probably have on hand and show you how to use them in just a slightly different way. So it really gets you reusing the products that you have. Els does our off-the-page articles, so always something a little different from Els. Love letters. This is those of you who know her who are calligraphy artists. Kelly Klapstein. She does our calligraphy article. So every time, just different styles for art journaling, for titles and well, calligraphy. I guess that's the best way to put it. The must list. This is what's new and hot and cool in the industry right now. Okay, more step-by-steps. This one is done by the lovely Doreen Rousseau. So Doreen is a mixed media phenomenon. If you are a villager, which I will tell you more about in a hot minute, okay, she teaches in our village, Village of Inspired People Club. So I will teach you a little bit more about that. Oh, I never mentioned the show special. I just got into telling you all about our magazine. So we have a show special. If you're doing a 2-year subscription here during the show, over the next few days, for sure, the coupon will be good. Use the coupon code FANCY2023, because, you know, Craft Fancy, Brian and Carol's store. So use the code FANCY2023, and you will receive this issue as a bonus issue. It will not be part of your 2-year subscription. Your 2-year subscription will start with our upcoming issue, Winter. And then you will also get a free product gift. And I'm not going to show you what that is now, but you are going to love it. So in the package that you get, you will get the fall issue and a product gift, and then your subscription starts with the winter issue. So that is, though, with the 2-year subscription. That coupon code will not work when you enter it for a 1-year subscription. And I will send this off to you literally on Monday morning when we run to the post office. Okay? All right, back to the magazine. Sorry, I really should have said the show special. This is that enchanted sweepstakes I was telling you about. Do go in there and enter that one. Awesome, awesome prize package of amazing stamps and what are they called? Stencils and all kinds of paper. Sorry, I had a moment. Okay, so more free crafty projects. You may see this on our Facebook page as well and on our website. Again, you have the card or the project, the QR code, download the PDF, and watch and see it being made. Step-by-steps for it being made. Okay. A sewing feature. Now, this is putting some sewing on your layouts. Again, you may see this is just chock-a-block full of content. It's not full of ads. It's got lots of cards. It's got lots of layouts. You can barely see them here. This light is just awful. I love this card. This layout, sorry. So simple, so beautiful. So again, styles of all kinds here with layouts with lots of photos, layouts with not a lot of photos, and so on. Okay, VIP Club. Let me tell you about our VIP Club. So, separate from the print magazine, we have started about 2.5 years ago the Village of Inspired People. So, we called it the VIP Club because that's a cool way to call it. So, VIP Club, Village of Inspired People. What happens in the village? Demos from craft industry experts in our community. So we've had people like Ken Oliver, who you saw earlier this morning. He presents in our village. We're having Diane Reevely coming this weekend. We with an online pre-recorded class. So we have demos every single week almost. We have monthly crops. We all crop together in a Zoom session with like people from across North America. And you make connections with these folks, with our villagers, that you never could imagine. Like, it is one of the most beautiful, inspirational communities. There is a fee for it, so membership does cost. So if you're doing it for 3 months or for 1 month, there's different rates. For 1 month, it's $19.95 per month. For 3 months, it's $35.50, so you definitely save. You definitely want to check it out. Try it. After 6 months of consecutive membership, you get, dun dun dun, besides all the awesome content, you get this apron. And this is embroidered on here with our Creative Scrapbooker magazine logo. It is an amazing village. The village has taken off. It grows mostly through word of mouth. Those villagers who are in it share it, tell other their friends, and so on and so on. And that's how it's been growing, because it's just such a phenomenal group of content, tips, tricks, printable PDFs, exclusive contests. I can't tell you enough about it. Try it out. Go to our website, creativescrapbooker.ca, and look at the top. There's a little link for the VIP Club. So check that out. If you have any questions, call. The phone number in the magazine is actually my cell phone number. And if you call after 6, I probably won't answer, but most times during the day, I will answer your phone call. Okay, back to the magazine. Okay, fall feature. We're in the gallery. I've got 3 minutes left. Whoa! I think I can go a little bit over, but I know you guys want a break too. Okay, lots of content. Still flipping through the magazine. And if you ever call our office to place an order, you might get some holding music, and it's me singing while, we're processing things. People seem to love that. Okay, sorry, I'm a bit of a goof. It's Saturday morning here. Okay, a whole section called Sealed with a Kiss. This is just cards. For those of you who love cards, lots of them in each magazine. It's called Creative Scrapbooker because that's how we started out. It was mostly scrapbooking, but then when all the other magazines disappeared, we said, we gotta hit the content, hit it up with some more cards, so we did. Our community, this is people who send us photos. This here was a lady who came traveling all the way from California up to my office. We took a photo. There's the Calgary Tower in the background. Really, really fun ways of sharing and connecting. And there's a whole section on coming events. So events that are happening in your area or retreats, a marketplace, and a store directory. So for those of you who are still looking for a local scrapbook store, we definitely have store directory. Okay, there it is. I have hit my 20 minutes, Brian and Carol. thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to present to you guys today. Jackie, thank you for answering all the comments. If you guys ever have any questions, just call. People love it that we answer the phone. Yeah, what else can I tell you? Show special. Use code FANCY2023 and get this issue for free. Plus, I will send you a cool product gift. And then you'll start your Happy Mail coming. All right? If you have any questions, thank you again. Call, email, hit the links to subscribe, become part of the community, and let our magazine be your Happy Mail. Thanks, and have an awesome, awesome Saturday. Ciao!